Good morning, dear students. I guess all of you are very fine at your home. I'm very glad to have you here once again on this Dhaka online school. You are most welcome on our school. And please share this class with your friends so that your friends also be benefited from this class. As you know, I am Nirupama Roy, Senior Teacher, South Point School and College. Again, today I am going to take your math class for English version students of class 6, and we were doing exercise 4.2. You know, the chapter is exponents. We have already finished this chapter. Today we are going to solve two creative questions. So our learning outcomes of our class is you can solve maths related to exponents. Okay, let's start our class. Here is our first creative question. So write it down on your copy. The stem of this question is b square minus 2bc plus c square is an expression. A number question is multiply 3x to the power 4 into 4x to the power minus 5. B number question is if b equal to 3, c equal to minus 2, find the value of the expression. And C number question is prove that a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square when a equal to 1 and b equal to minus 3. Okay, let's solve the question. Here, for answer or solution of question A, first of all you will write the given part of our answer or of our question, that is given expression 3x to the power 4 into 4x to the power minus 5. And the next line is you can see here 3 into 4, that we have multiplied these two numerical coefficient and the exponents x to the power 4 into x to the power minus 5. If we multiply this 3 into 4, we got 12 into, here you can see for this the multiplication of the exponents, we have the same base of these two exponents. So we know the rules. Whenever we have same base, we will write the base one time and we will add the power. So we got x to the power 4 minus 5. After calculating this 4 minus 5, we got minus 1. So 12 into x to the power minus 1, or we can write 12 x to the power minus 1. So this is the answer of our question A. Therefore, the required value is 12 x to the power minus 1. Okay, let's see the solution of B. Given value b equal to 3, c equal to minus 2, and the given expression b square minus 2bc plus c square. Here you can see we have some value here, that is b equal to 3 and c equal to minus 2. So we will put the value on our expression. We are putting the value of b and c on the next line, that is b equal to 3, the value of b is 3, so we got 3 square minus 2 into 3, the value of b is 3, into minus 2, the value of c is minus 2, plus minus 2 whole square, that means c square. 3 square means 3 into 3 minus 2 into 3 into minus 2 plus we have minus 2 square means minus 2 into minus 2. 3 into 3 we have 9. Here you observe carefully. 2 into 3 we have 6. 6 into minus 2 we have minus 12. And whenever we have minus 12 into minus, then we got minus into minus, we have plus, so we have plus 12 here. Minus 2 into minus 2, that means minus into minus we got plus. 2 into 2 we have 4, so plus 4. 9 plus 12 plus 4, that is 25. So our required value is 25. This is the solution of question number B. Okay, let's see the solution of C. Here given value A equal to 1, B equal to minus 3. And we have to prove that A minus B whole square equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. So here you can see an equation. Here we have to prove. So whenever we have an equation and some value, what do? We get the left hand side value and we get also the right hand side's value. And if the both value are equal, then we can say our equation is proved. So on left hand side we have the expression A minus B whole square. Putting the value of A and B, we got 1 minus 3 whole square. Here 1 minus into minus 3, this minus into minus we got plus 3, that means 1 plus 3 whole square. 1 plus 3, that is 4. 4 square means 4 into 4, that is 16. So the value on the left hand side we got 16. Let's see what is the value on the right hand side. The expression on the right hand side is A square minus 2AB plus B square. If we put the value of A and B, we got 1 square minus 2 into 1 into minus 3 plus minus 3 square. This minus 3 is the value of B and this 1 is the value of A. 1 square means 1 into 1 minus, here we have 2 into 1, that means 2. 2 into minus 3 we have minus 6 plus minus 3 squared, that means minus 3 into minus 3. Okay, here we have 1 into 1, that is 1. Minus into minus 6, this minus into minus we have plus, that means plus 6. Minus 3 into minus 3 we got plus 9, that means minus into minus we have plus and 3 into 3 we got 9. So plus 9 and 1 plus 6 plus 9 we have 16. So on both left hand side and right hand side we have the value 16. That's why we can say therefore the left hand side equal to right hand side proved. So this was the solution of our creative question 1. Let's solve another creative question. First of all, you just write the creative question 2 on your copy quickly. Here is the stem of the creative question 2. A minus B whole cube, A cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square minus B cube are two algebraic expressions. For A number question, simplify 2A cube into B square into 3B to the power 4 into 4B cube into 2A square into A. This is the question A. And for B number question, if A equal to 2, B equal to 3, then find the value of second expression. This is the second expression, we have to find the value of this expression. And for the question number C, If A equal to 2, B equal to 1, then show that the two expressions given in the stem are mutually equal. Okay, let's solve the question. At first, question number A, given expression, this is the given expression, 2a cube into b square into 3b to the power 4 into 4b cube into 2a square into a. Now we have arranged our exponents alphabetically, like we have taken the base a first and then b. We got 2a cube into 2a square into a into b square into 3b to the power 4 into 4b to the power 3. Now we have multiplied all the numerical coefficient here, that is 2, this 2, this 2, this 3 and this 4 here. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 4, and exponents here a cube into a square into a into b square into b to the power 4 into b to the power 3. If we multiply this 2 into 2 into 3 into 4, we got 48, and here after this we have the exponent with same base, that is a. So we have written a for one time and added the powers, that is 3 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, and here we have the exponents of base b. So we have written the b one time and added the power, that is 2 plus 4 plus 3. After addition of the power, 3 plus 2 plus 1, we got 6. So a to the power 6 here, and 2 plus 4, that is 6, 6 plus 3, that is 9. So b to the power 9, we got 48, a to the power 6 into b to the power 9. So this is the answer of our question number A, and we will write the answer like this. Therefore the required value is 48 a to the power 6 into b to the power 9. Okay, let's move on to the question number B now. Given value a equal to 2, b equal to 3, and the given second expression. Why second expression? Because in the question it was told that we have to find out the value of the second expression. So we have written here given second expression, that is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now we have put the value of a and b here. Value of a is 2, you can see here, and the value of b is 3, you can see also it's over here. So a cube means 2 cube, because the value of a is 2, minus 3 into 2 square into 3, this 3 is the value of b, plus 3 into 2 into 3 square minus 3 cube, this 3 is the value of b, and 2 to the power 3, that means 2 into 2 into 2 minus 3 into 2 square means 2 into 2 into 3 plus 3 into 2 into 3 square means 3 into 3 minus 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3. If we multiply 2 into 2 into 2, we got 8, and 3 into 2 6, 6 into 2 12, 12 into 3 we got 36. Here 3 into 2 we have 6, 6 into 3 we have 18, 18 into 3 we have 54. Here 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27. If we add this 8 plus 54, we got 62, and if we add this 36 and this 27, we got 63. So 62 minus 63, we got minus 1. So this is the value of our question number B. Therefore the required value is minus 1. Now let's see the solution of C. For the given value, we have a equal to 2, b equal to 1. We have to show that the expression a minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, for this type of question, first of all we will find out the value of left hand side, and then we will find the value of right hand side, and if the value of both sides are same, that means our equation is correct. So the first expression, that is a minus b whole cube. Now put the value of a and b. We got 2 minus 1 whole cube, that is 1 cube. 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1. Okay, so the value of the first expression that is 1, and the value of the second expression, now we are putting the value of a and b here. The value of a is 2, so we got 2 cube minus 3 into 2 square. This 2 is the value of a and this 1 is the value of b, plus 3 into 2 into 1 square minus 1 cube. This 1 is the value of b. 2 cube, we got 2 into 2 into 2 minus 3 into 2 square means 2 into 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2 into 1 square means 1 into 1 minus 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1. Now 2 into 2 into 2 we have 8 minus 3 into 2 we have 6, 6 into 2 we have 12. Here is 12 plus, this is the plus sign over here, 3 into 2 we have 6, 6 into 1 we have 6, minus, here is the minus, and 1 into 1 into 1 we have 1. Now if we add this 8 and this 6 we got 14, and if we add this 12 and 1 we got 13. So 14 minus 13 we got 1, and we have seen the value of the first expression is also 1 and the value of second expression is also 1. So we can say the first expression equal to second expression proved or showed. Okay, so this was the solution of our creative question 2. That's all for today. We have done 2 creative questions today. I guess you will practice these creative questions at your home. Thank you very much for paying attention in my class. See you in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.